Here's an Hopscotch program that reminds us of the reality of climate change by showing us a storm on the Americas and a quote from Barack Obama. It reads, "Climate change is not something that's happening in the future. It is causing hardship now. Climate change is real and we need to act now." Here's my Hopscotch work table with that little dot here that's going to create the storm, the background of the earth, and the quote from Barack Obama. When the play button is tapped, the emoji character of the earth is going to be placed in the background. So we're going to send to back in order to make sure that we are able to write on top of this emoji character. We are going to make it bigger, so we're going to grow by 3,500% of its original size, and we're going to place it at 500, 300 on the screen. When the play button is tapped, here's the text that we saw on the first screen. We are going to set the size of the letters to 75% of their original size. And then we're going to place it on the screen of the iPad at 250, 125. When the play button is tapped and the program starts, this dot here is going to create the storm. So we're going to first place it at the position 570, 600, and we are going to use something called clone. So we're going to repeat forever, and we are going to make several clones of this dot. When the character is cloned, each one of the clone of the dots is going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to make each dot 60% less visible. That means instead of being pitch black, it's going to show a shade of gray. And for each dot is going to repeat these commands forever. We're going to grow by 10%, and the dot is going to turn by minus 51 degrees. All of that is going to make the spiral that you've seen on the screen. And here we have our program.